do aspire to be a green environment, particularly a green city. So we do appreciate this gesture kakhulu. Equally so, siyabonga kakhulu because you are supporting our integrated development plan, which particularly our department is expected to plant 5,000 trees for the next 5 years. So senisithula nje umthwalo lomkhulu kakhulu because we are supposed to plant 1,000 trees per year for the next 5 years. So sitawuda nje sabona sikhala nje sifaka sihlahla, sabona sikhala nje sifaka sihlahla. So you are making our work very easy in terms of collaborating on this one. We want to take it a step further to say let us not only plant trees, we do want to map these indigenous trees in town. We do want to use GIS systems to know where they are and to know their survival rate. Gitsi logo titlangela is one step, but let's know how many of them are surviving in town. We've recently established a disaster risk reduction unit. Also, that is a task with fighting with the invasive alien species, which are highly known to compete with such indigenous trees. So to make sure that one, we manage our invasive alien species like Dolobeni by removing them and making sure that we are planting our indigenous tree.